Did you know the largest animal on Earth is the majestic blue whale? This giant of the seas stretches to a length of 30 meters and weighs in at a whopping 180 tons. Adorned with a bluish-gray color and white spots on its belly, the blue whale is a sight to behold. Its large pectoral fins and small dorsal fin, coupled with a huge tail consisting of 2 lobes, make it a marvel of marine life. Blue whales are social creatures, living in groups known as caravans. Their diet consists of krill, a type of small crustacean. These gentle giants reproduce in winter, with females giving birth to 1 to 3 young. Remarkably, blue whales can live up to 80 years. They play a vital role in our ecosystem. Believe it or not, whale droppings pollinate marine plants. They also control krill populations, ensuring balance in the ecosystem. Even in their death, they provide food for other marine creatures, such as sharks and killer whales. Despite their importance, blue whales face threats from overhunting, sea pollution,